Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking about how to fix crashing in Davinci Resolve. And the first and very simple step to fix crashing is of course to update your app. So to check for the updates, go to Davinci Resolve and check for updates. Alright, so mine is up to date. Great. And why do we want to do this is because bugs in older versions can cause crashes, especially with new OS updates or hardware. So just check the current version and update it. After that, guys, the second fix is going to be updating your GPU drivers. So let me also show you. Right, so in my case, I'm using the AMD GPU. So just press on Manage Updates. And in here, you will either have or not have the updates for your GPU. So in my case, as you can see, the version is the latest. So just make sure to update your drivers. On NVIDIA, it's quite simple as well. You just enter their driver app, I forgot what it's named, and just update your driver software for your GPU in there. Also guys, make sure to understand that Davinci is not quite a lightweight app, so you will need to of course also understand that if you're trying to run this software on a potato PC, it will not work properly. So I recommend having at least 16 gigs of RAM, preferably 32 like I have, and also of course having a better GPU will help as well. So just make sure to understand realistically that this is not a lightweight app, it needs a lot of processing power. So just make sure to install SSD for faster media loading, for faster cache, and just basically faster processing and the faster work of your entire application. SSD will make a night and day difference. And also the GPU, processor, CPU, RAM, and the GPU it all has to be on a somewhat of a legit level so that everything works smoothly. Also guys, in terms of the settings, like for example high playback quality or aggressive caching can indeed overload your system. So you go to playback, then you go to timeline playback resolution and set it to half or quarter. As you can see, mine set to full. It's because my PC can just handle it. Also you can disable or enable render cache. This is not really recommended, to be honest. It's going to be basically caching everything that's happening on the timeline, and it will be consuming a lot of your resources, especially RAM and also the disk. So make sure to set this to none. Or you can also delete the render cache if you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And also guys, another quick tip is you go to the project settings, you go to master settings and make sure to choose your project media, proxy generation, cache and gallery stills, locations, all of these four, to an SSD so that everything works faster. So this will basically grab the media and generate the proxy and stills on the fast SSD, on the fast drive, and make sure that everything works fast. So these are the fixes guys to help prevent your Davinci from crashing. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Like it of course, press thumbs up, support us, subscribe, leave a comment. Of course, press on the notification bell to not miss new uploads, and I'll see you soon.